New things are unfolding about the Presley family, and we can't wait to hear it. Fans have waited months to find out what happened to Lisa Marie Presley's estate. Now, we finally know what's up. More information concerning the settlement has emerged after it was reported that Riley Keough and her grandmother, Priscilla Presley, had finally reached an agreement about the estate of Riley's late mother, Lisa Marie Presley. Keough became the sole owner of Lisa Marie's estate, which included a part in Elvis Presley Enterprises and the Graceland home of Elvis Presley, after Lisa Marie passed away. Priscilla and her granddaughter reached a settlement for an undisclosed amount, though insiders claimed to TMZ that the sum was in the millions. The Daisy Jones and the Six Star has petitioned the court to ratify the agreement, according to documents acquired by People. If all goes according to plan, Riley will retain total command. The 34-year-old won't charge a fee for her job as trustee, according to her attorney Justin Gold, allowing the beneficiaries to all save money that would have gone to Priscilla, who was going to charge a trustee fee. Gold adds, by agreeing to the claims pending in Priscilla's petition, the parties are saving substantial legal fees by avoiding litigation, and they are likewise avoiding the spectacle of intra-family litigation that would have been contrary to Lisa's wishes and not in the best interests of the family. Riley plans to invest the money in a manner consistent with the needs of the beneficiaries, and not influenced by the desire of a trustee, with 1/9 of the proceeds going to Lisa Marie's half-brother Navarone Garibaldi, and the remaining funds being divided between Riley, her twin sisters Harper and Finley Lockwood, as well as Priscilla's settlement agreement. The agreement was reached in response to Priscilla's appeal from January, in which she contested the authenticity and validity of a 2016 change to the trust that removed Priscilla from her role as co-trustee and gave Riley control. Riley and Priscilla were allegedly not communicating as a result, according to numerous reports at the time. However, Navarone Garibaldi debunked the claims on Instagram by reassuring an inquisitive fan that yes, they are fine. No feud. Following the announcement of the settlement, Gold stated that Keough was very content with the outcome, and Priscilla's attorney, Ronson Shamoun, added that everyone is happy, unified together, and excited for the future. But before they calmed down, there was a storm. Lisa Marie became the only heir to the estate of the King of Rock and Roll after the passing of her father Elvis Presley. The estate was overseen by Priscilla, who was Elvis's wife from 1967 until 1973. In 1993, on the occasion of her 25th birthday, the trust was dissolved. Lisa Marie then established a new trust with Priscilla Presley as co-trustee to carry on the estate's management. According to a representative from Memphis, Tennessee, Lisa Marie Presley's 3 living children will receive Graceland as their inheritance. After having a cardiac arrest and being taken to the hospital right away, Presley passed away on January 12 at the age of 54. On January 22, Graceland held a memorial service for Presley on the property's front lawn. When her father passed away in 1977, when Presley was 9 years old, she inherited the mansion and the 14-acre estate. Lisa was the only child of Priscilla and Elvis Presley. The abrupt passing of Lisa Marie Presley stunned both the world and her family. After her father's passing, Lisa Marie Presley received his whole inheritance because she was one of Elvis' beneficiaries in his will. Who was next in line? Everyone was asking. According to TMZ, Lisa Marie's mother and Elvis' ex-wife, Priscilla Presley, filed paperwork to have an amendment to her trust revoked in January 2023, 2 weeks after Lisa Marie passed away. Following the passing of Lisa Marie's father in 1977, Priscilla and Barry Siegel, Elvis's manager, were appointed as the trust's trustees. The abrupt passing of Lisa Marie Presley stunned both the world and her family. After her father's passing, Lisa Marie Presley received his whole inheritance because she was one of Elvis' beneficiaries in his will. Who was next in line? Everyone was asking. According to TMZ, Lisa Marie's mother and Elvis' ex-wife, Priscilla Presley filed paperwork to have an amendment to her trust revoked in January 2023, 2 weeks after Lisa Marie passed away. Following the passing of Lisa Marie's father in 1977, Priscilla and Barry Siegel were appointed as the trust's trustees. Between that time and Lisa Marie's passing, a revision to the trust named Riley and Benjamin, Lisa Marie's eldest children, as trustees in place of Priscilla and Siegel. Prior to his mother's passing in 2020, Benjamin passed away. The amendment may be fake, according to Priscilla's legal filings from 2023, as it was never handed to her. Priscilla moved for the modification to be declared invalid, claiming that the date was suspicious, the document misspelled her name, and Lisa Marie's signature appears inconsistent with her usual and customary signature. On February 16, 2023, Entertainment Tonight reported via a source that the situation had gotten worse among the family. For Riley and Priscilla, the past few weeks have been incredibly difficult and distressing. Riley has been grieving the death of her mother and is devastated to have to handle a trust disagreement with a relative. Priscilla is unwavering in her belief that she has a strong case and will win in court. Although Riley and Priscilla aren't speaking directly that time, they have been doing so through attorneys. Riley would rather have a private resolution to this conflict, even if they are both preparing for court. When asked how Lisa Marie's daughter feels about the issue, she expressed her heartbreak at how public the subject has become and how her mother would never approve of this. Prior to the release of her new series, Riley has been attempting to maintain a positive mindset despite her current high level of stress. Priscilla feels that she is right in her heart when it comes to her late daughter's trust, but her daughter and husband have been keeping her in good spirits. She is certain that forgeries existed on old documents. Priscilla revealed a statement about the situation via Entertainment Tonight in January 2023. "I loved Elvis as much as he loved me. Lisa is a result of our love," Priscilla said. "For anyone to think anything differently would be a travesty of the family legacy and would be disrespectful of what Elvis left behind in his life. There is an individual that bought their way into the family enterprise that is trying to speak on behalf of our family. This person is not a representative of Elvis or our family," she added, without sharing whom she was referring to. "Please allow us the time we need to work together and sort this out. Please ignore the noise. As I have always been there for Elvis' legacy, our family, and the fans, I will continue to forge a pathway forward with respect, honesty, dignity, integrity, and love." At least throughout the continuing court battle between Priscilla Presley and Riley Keough over Lisa Marie's estate, Navarone Garibaldi has made clear the family's position. Priscilla shares Them Guns guitarist, 36, with her ex Marco Garibaldi, and he stated during an Instagram video that his family is good. "There is no conflict," he declared. "Everything is nice, and we did go out to dinner." Because of the circumstances earlier this year, this disclosure is particularly noteworthy. Thankfully, things have finally calmed down with regards to Lisa Marie's estate. In accordance with documents submitted in Los Angeles on June 12, 2023, Riley Keough and her grandma Priscilla have come to an agreement. The Daisy Jones and a sixth actor will be the sole trustee of her mother's estate and the sub-trusts for her sisters, twins Harper and Finley Lockwood, according to the terms of the deal. The trust will also make Priscilla a lump sum, one-time payment for an undisclosed value, and on May 11, 2023, she no longer serves as the executor of Lisa Marie's estate. What do you think will happen to the Presley family in the following days? Comment your answers down below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching.